In this section, we will discuss conversion of trigonometric function. We shall discuss the problem in which value of one trigonometric function with angle x will be used to compute the values of other trigonometric function with angles x, 2x and x by 2. For example, sin x equal to 3 by 5 where x lies in first quadrant, and cos x equal to minus 3 by 5 where x lies in third quadrant. We know that in first quadrant all trigonometric ratios are positive. In third quadrant only tan and cot are positive, rest are negative. We can find the value of cosec x because cosec x equal to 1 upon sin x equal to 5 by 3. Applying identity cos square x plus sin square x equal to 1, we can find value of cos x equal to plus minus root 1 minus sin square x. Cos x greater than 0 in first quadrant, so we can find here cos x equal to plus root 1 minus sin square x. Similarly, for question number second, we can do value of cos x equal to root 1 minus sin square x, value of sin x equal to 3 by 5. Then we can find cos x equal to 4 by 5. Reciprocal of cos equal to 1 upon sec x, and reciprocal of sec x equal to 1 upon cos x equal to 5 by 4. Similarly, we can find value of tan x or cot x. Second part, we can solve sin x equal to minus 4 by 5, cosec x equal to minus 5 by 4. Tan and cot are positive, so we can remove here negative sign. Next example we have, if sin x equal to 3 by 5, find the values of sin 2x, cos 2x and tan 2x. Given that x lies in first quadrant, we can write here sin x equal to 3 by 5. X lies in first quadrant, we can apply same identity cos square x plus sin square x equal to 1 to find value of cos x. Cos x greater than 0 in first quadrant, then cos x equal to 4 by 5. Sin 2x equal to 2 sin x cos x. We know that sin 2x identity equal to 2 sin x cos x. We can substitute the value of sin x and cos x to find the value of sin 2x. Similarly, we can find the value of cos 2x applying identity 1 minus 2 sin square x equal to 7 upon 25. Tan x equal to sin 2x upon cos 2x. After simplification, we have 24 by 7 equal to tan 2x. Next example, if tan x equal to minus 4 by 3, x lies in second quadrant, then find the values of sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2. Given that tan x equal to minus 4 by 3, x lies in second quadrant, we can apply here identity sec square x minus tan square x equal to 1 to find the value of sec x. Sec x equal to plus minus root 1 plus tan square x. X lies in second quadrant, then sec x less than 0. In second quadrant only sin and cosec are positive, rest are negative. Then we can find here sec x equal to minus 5 by 3. Reciprocal of sec x equal to 1 upon cos x, and reciprocal of cos x equal to 1 upon sec x. Then we can write here cos x equal to minus 3 by 5. 2 sin square x by 2 equal to 1 minus cos x. Applying identity, we can find the value of sec or sin x by 2 equal to plus minus root 5 by 4. In second quadrant sin is positive, so we can remove here negative sign. We can write here sin x equal to sin x by 2 equal to 2 root 5 by 5. To find the value of cos x by 2, we can write here 2 cos square x by 2 equal to 1 plus cos x. Applying here identity for half angle, then we can write here cos x by 2 equal to plus minus root 1 by 5. We know that in second quadrant cos is negative, so we can write here x by 2 lies in first quadrant, x lies in second quadrant, cos x by 2 greater than 0, so we can write here cos x by 2 equal to root 5 by 5. Here x lies in second quadrant, so x by 2 lies in first quadrant. Then we can write here cos x by 2 greater than 0 because x by 2 lies in first quadrant. Then cos x by 2 equal to root 5 by 5. We can find the value of tan x by 2 equal to sin x by 2 cos x by 2. We can put here value of sin x by 2 equal to 2 root 5 upon 5 and value of cos x by 2 equal to root 5 by 5. After simplification we have tan x by 2 equal to 2.